So here we have someone with mid-length hair. The stylist proceeds to cut the hair around shoulder length. And then mixes in some color. Ooh, wow, looks like she went copper. And then the stylist does cut the hair further into more of a bob style. Wow, this is an absolutely stunning tousled bob makeover. Very nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some long to short hair transformations. So here we have someone who decided to shake things up with a shoulder length bob. Followed by another gorgeous shoulder length bob style. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Another gorgeous bob hairstyle. She also dyed the hair blonde. Very nicely done. And then we have someone who's going to be chopping off 6 inches of hair. Wow. Nice bob haircuts. I really like her nails too. Nice neon shade. And then we have someone who is toying around with the idea of going shorter. And it looks like she also decided to get a shoulder length bob style. Very nice. Next up, we have a cut refresh, a little bit of color. A whole lot of color. Looks like she went darker and got a nice bob haircut. Then we see someone with long hair. Decide to chop their hair off into a bob as well. Lots of bob haircuts in today's video. Then we have someone rocking a ponytail. And it looks like she has also decided to get a bob. Oh, very nice mini bob style. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.